A wooden raft is a simple watercraft made primarily from logs or planks of wood lashed together to create a floating platform. Rafts have been used for thousands of years by various cultures around the world for transportation, fishing, and even as makeshift bridges. They are typically not as advanced as boats or ships but serve their purposes in specific contexts. Here are some key characteristics and information about wooden rafts. Construction. Wooden rafts are constructed by attaching logs or planks of wood together using ropes, vines, or other binding materials. The choice of wooden binding materials can vary depending on the region and available resources. Buoyancy. The natural buoyancy of wood allows the raft to float on water. By adding more logs or planks, you can increase the buoyancy and carrying capacity of the raft. Uses. Rafts have been used for various purposes, such as river transportation, fishing, and even as a means of escape during emergencies or floods. They are versatile and can be adapted for different tasks. Historical significance. Rafts have a long history and have been used by indigenous peoples, explorers, and early settlers for traversing rivers and water bodies. Famous historical figures like Thor Heyerdahl used wooden rafts in their expeditions, such as the Kon-Tiki expedition. Modernity. While traditional wooden rafts are still used in some parts of the world, modern materials like plastic barrels or pontoons are often used to increase stability and buoyancy. These modern versions are often more durable and require less maintenance than traditional wooden rafts. Variations. There are variations of wooden rafts, such as bamboo rafts in Southeast Asia, which use bamboo instead of wood for construction. Each type of raft has its unique characteristics and is adapted to the specific needs of the culture and environment where it's used. Safety. Rafts can be relatively safe when used in calm waters but can pose risks in rough or fast-moving currents. Safety precautions such as life jackets and skilled rafting operators are essential for ensuring safe use. Recreation. In some places, wooden rafts are used for recreational purposes like rafting trips down rivers. These recreational rafts are often designed with safety and comfort in mind and may incorporate modern materials like inflatable sections. Overall, wooden rafts have played an important role in human history, serving as essential means of transportation and survival in various parts of the world. While they may not be as common today due to the prevalence of motorized boats and advanced watercraft, they still hold cultural and historical significance in many regions.